Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video, as you have already got from the title, is about dandruff. Now the reason why I came up with this video in the first place is because I have been suffering for dandruff for the last 2 months, and I treated it all by myself after reading the articles, after reading newspaper, watching many of the videos posted by doctors and dermatologists throughout the world. And yeah, I am glad that I am able to access all those. I am very excited to share this video because I got rid of mine. I am guaranteeing that if you do any of the methods which I showcase in this video, I can guarantee that you will get rid of your dandruff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now there are two categories. One is the dry hair where you really need to oil your hair, and another is dandruff. Sometimes people get confused between dry hair and dandruff, and then it leads to a lot of confusion and they end up adding more oil onto their scalp. But dandruff and dry hair is a completely different thing, and most of us, at around 80% of us, actually suffer from dandruff and not from dry hair. So the first and the foremost thing which I want to share with you all is you should stop applying your hair oil. Yes, you got that right. I was also following that after seeing so many videos, and there are so many DIY videos in the internet, and I do completely get that all the bloggers need to put in their content. Internet is a big thing, and I should be very sure before I post any videos on the internet. And now I feel more responsible, more empowered. Now that 5k subscribers are there, I really feel empowered, and I really feel that I should win your trust over anything else. Stop using your hair oil. I know you are used to hair oils. Even I am used to hair oils. I always oil my hair before shampooing my hair, and I know many of you do the same thing. But please make sure that when you're suffering from dandruff, you have to stop it. If you still want to oil your hair, you can obviously oil the ends of your hair and not the scalp. So that's what I do, because sometimes I do feel that my ends are getting very dried up, and then I apply oil onto my hair ends. And in case if you want to avoid oil altogether, it will be more beneficial. In that case, you can use a serum of your choice. All these treatments are recommended by NCBI. I do go through a lot of articles of NCBI. I will leave them also in the description box below. And the first and foremost thing which I would recommend you to use is a ketoconazole shampoo, which is really recommended by any of the doctors. And you have to use that shampoo for 4 weeks, and you have to apply it twice a week. Make sure whenever you use dandruff, you have to take care of it, and you have to be very regular in washing your scalp. Coming to the second treatment of dandruff is selenium sulfide. It does help in getting rid of dandruff, and this is the most common method of getting rid of dandruff. I have been using this shampoo since childhood, and I mean whenever I get dandruff, and it helps me get rid of dandruff right away. The advantage with selenium sulfate shampoo is you can use it for 2 weeks in a row, and that means you have to use it 4 times, and then you will be getting rid of dandruff, and then use it once in a month occasionally. I will leave all the details on the screen or in the description box below, how to use each of the shampoo and each of the chemicals. Now the third and the most common thing is zinc pyrithione. Now this is a chemical thing which can be found in anti-dandruff shampoo. The most popular anti-dandruff shampoo, yes, you got that right. And you can definitely use this to get rid of your dandruff as well. Zinc pyrithione is known to help you in getting rid of your dandruff. Okay, now let's talk about those guys who don't want to go by all these chemical compounds and all these complex chemical compounds. So in that case, tea tree is one such option which you can definitely use to get rid of your dandruff. Actually, I got rid of my dandruff with this selenium sulfate. Otherwise, I would have definitely gone for the Born Organics tea tree shampoo, but now that I am free of dandruff, I didn't go for it. But if you want to go for a natural way, you can definitely try that one as well. And if you want to go with a simple hack, then you can drop 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil into your shampoo and then massage your hair with it. Again, I can't guarantee how much time will it take for you to get rid of dandruff using this tea tree oil method, because I am not quite sure. I have not used it myself. I've been doing consistently putting videos, and I hope my videos will be useful to some or the other in some way, in some useful way. And yeah, many do come back over Instagram saying thank you and all, and yeah, I'm glad that some of the things which I express in my video do work, and I really hope that this video also serves the same purpose. So that was all about today's video. See you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.